Ethereum just printed a massive sell signal as we sit in the red zone on the TC top and bottom finder. Combine this with the fact that whales are actively and aggressively selling out of the market, we could be seeing pretty large moves down, and I need our traders to be prepared. Based on our data, I think a move down to a minimum of 3,480 is in the works. Let's talk about that in this video, but first I want to give a quick membership update. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. We just posted one of the most important future forecasts we've ever created. How a drop in interest rates could crash the markets for one last low altcoin grab. Telegram channel is free at the links in the description. Guys, in this future forecast, you can find it right here on the tradeconfident.io website. We're going to talk about how what is about to happen could shake the markets to their core, creating one last opportunity to buy altcoins before parabolic moves come into Q4. Guys, we just sold massive amounts of cryptocurrency in anticipation of this drop. We took over 400% in some of our trades. Awesome to see, but guys, we need to be ready for a drop, and you can learn more about that in the tradeconfident.io membership. This is also where you're going to get massive discounts on the indicators that we're using to trade today. Speaking of which, we're trading Ethereum USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Ethereum is actively consolidating near local highs after a really strong rally. Price just tagged into the red resistance band and printed a sell signal. This is extremely bearish. Structure is still intact technically, but momentum is cooling off fast. This is typically where we see a volatility spike, either a reversal to the downside or a breakout back to the upside. But from here, whale money flow has peaked and whales are selling out of the market. To me, this shows that a reversal back to the downside is more likely, and that's because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. If this downtrend inflow continues, it's a signal of distribution or a drop. Absolute massive drop incoming. Trades in favor does show a 58% chance of a pump, but this is still a nearly 50-50 chance, and most often, this shows that downwards momentum is still strong in the market. This is likely to be a continuation, and it's not until we drop into the long trade zone that we should be seeing bounces to the upside in price. If we can find that, price versus well money flow low, showing whales have oversold and are likely to buy back in, and a buy signal near the blue midline, or even especially near the green line here as support, this would create the bullish trifecta, and this is the combination of entry signals that our traders have used to earn 304 wins and 0 losses over the last 29 months with the risk management in our membership. If price holds and flips bullish again, shown by whale money absolutely pumping into the market, guys, we need to see big moves. This is where we could see moves up to $3,850 and maybe even challenge $4,000. I don't think this is likely. Instead, I think it's much more likely that we're going to drop down to about this structure support here around $3,520 or a little bit lower around $3,480. Anywhere in that range, I think could be a very solid point of entry. At this point, what we're going to want to do is set alerts, because regardless of structure support, we're instead using buy signals right here, price versus well money flow low, and trades in favor low, forming a bullish trifecta to find our entry. With that in mind, let's set some alerts. We're going to head to the alerts tab and click create alert. Switch this to the trades in favor, watch for pump, once per bar close, and click create. Next alert will be under the TC top and bottom finder. Keep it at a buy signal, once per bar close, and click create. Last alert, TC top and bottom finder again. This time it will be a strong buy, once per bar close, and click create. Buy or strong buy alert means a buy or strong buy signal has posted on your chart. Watch for pump alert means that the trades in favor has closed in the long trade zone. Downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. And if any of these 3 alerts post, check to see if you have or are close to creating that bullish trifecta. And then it could be a fantastic time for an entry. Guys, if you're not using these tools yet, now is the time. And our members get access to these indicators for up to $550 off. And that's on top of money-making benefits, guys, real money-making benefits, like the future forecast episode deep dive analyses, trade setups, monthly live Zoom coaching sessions with the group, and more. What you want to do is head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the first link. Click that. It's going to bring you to your sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started. And now as a member, you're saving an immediate $150 off with the coupon code here. Click Pro Indicator Pack. I want this. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and all you have to do from here is click Pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and all you need to do is load up these tools on your TradingView charts, and you can get ready for massive profits. Guys, don't miss out on this next move. We're getting ready for a drop and entry opportunity, and be sure to get ready for some volatility this week as talked about in the future forecast videos. See you in the next one.